Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Which of the following best describe the term import cover, sometimes seen in the news? Okay, see. By logical thinking, you can go for an answer. Okay, so first statement, it is the ratio of value of import to the GDP of the country. Okay, so it is the ratio of import to the GDP. Okay, but it is saying that import cover. Okay, but it is only speaking about how much GDP we are losing due to the import. Okay, such a thing only it is going to say by the A statement. Okay, so by that you can say that it is not A. Okay, B, it is the total value of import of the country in a year. Okay, it is saying that import cover, so this is also not that much connected to the import cover. Okay, C, this is the ratio between the value of the export and that of import between the two countries. Okay, so this is also not that much. If you read through all the four statements, the fourth statement is more optimal towards this import cover. Okay, please read the fourth statement. It is the number of month. Okay, number of month of import that could be paid for by a country's international reserve. Okay, so how much money I can cover. Okay, how much import that I can be cover using my reserve. Okay, so that is called as import cover. Okay, so the country is, consider that India is importing a lot. Okay, so for that they have to pay it. Okay, so for that they have to maintain the forex reserve. Okay, if this forex reserve is can't cover that import, means what will happen? Okay, so that is all about the import cover. Okay, how many months, how many days I can cover my imports with my forex. Okay, so that is all about the import cover. Okay, usually that import cover is measured in the terms of the days or months. Okay, so how many days I can cover my import. Okay, I have to spend certain money towards my imports. Okay, people of India are importing lot of goods from outside the world. Okay, they are buying the smartphones, fridges, washing machines, everything from outside world. Okay, so for that India have to pay only by foreign currencies. Okay, so in that scenario they have to maintain their forex. Okay, so how many days or how many months they can able to pay that imports. Okay, so that is all about the import cover. Okay, so import cover is a measure of how many months of import can be covered by the foreign exchange reserve held by a country's central bank. Okay, so it is actually measures the stability of the currency. Yes, obviously. Okay, think that if India is having the lower import cover, means how they will pay. Okay, so if they are going to be in the government don't have a money to pay, means they don't have a foreign currency to pay the other government or other companies outside India, means that will show that India is in the lower level. Okay, so they are not exporting a lot, they are only importing a lot, means so the stability of the Indian currency will be degraded or downfall. Okay, so by the way they can measure the stability of the currency. So the import cover in India is an important indicator for the country's external trade stability and its ability to meet its import obligation. So higher the import cover, means we have the lot of foreign currency as our reserve. Okay, if it is a lower import cover, means we have a lesser availability of the foreign currency to meet the imports. Okay, so this is all about the import cover. Okay, so the main reason which influence the import cover. Okay, so how the import cover are managed. Okay, it's through the forex reserve or appreciation or depreciation of the Indian currency, or else to the US federal rates. Okay, inflow and outflow of the foreign institutional investments. Okay, so consider that this is the forex. Okay, so if lot of outside premises from outside India, there are a lot of investors investing in India, means they will invest through their foreign currencies. Okay, invest through their foreign currency as a dollar or something, okay, afterwards that will be converted as a rupee and it is going into the country. So we have a lot of forex reserve, okay. So this is how the forex reserve can be increased, okay. So we have to boost the investments from the outside world, okay. By that we can overcome the issues of this import cover, okay. So, and please note that if there is a lot of investments, means that is enhancing the employment opportunities, okay. That will also enhances the exports, okay, because we are producing a lot means we can export it, okay. So by the way, if you are exporting means that is also enhances the forex reserve, okay. So it is a double the benefit, win-win situation will happen, okay. So thank you.